Today we have a 2008 Nissan Maxima. We'll be replacing the evap canister vent valve. It is going to be located all the way back here in the rear where the charcoal canister is. Just above the subframe in the rear here. Located right here. You'll see the hose it connects to, as well as the connector up top. So what we're going to do is go up here, reach up here, unplug the connector. See if I can find where it connects. Well, let me use both my hands for that, but then just go ahead and remove this bottom hose here. And then the big key, how to get it out. Twist it counterclockwise and work on wiggling it out. And it should come right out. But let me go ahead and use both hands. So give me 1 second and I'll get this removed. Okay guys, so it did take both hands just so I could kind of pull back on it. You see it has these little ridges on there. You basically have to unlock it, yank it out of the part that it locks into, and that's pretty much it. So having issues getting this connector off because, I don't know, it's kind of hard because it's old. I don't want to break it. So I'm just going to push down all the way and then get a little pick here and just, if I can get this on camera, go under here and pretty much just push up the tang just to remove it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna put our new one in at like a 45-degree angle in the hole there, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Throw our connector on as well as that hose on, we'll be done. All right guys, so old one completely removed, new one here. Let's go ahead and slide my hand at a better angle. So pretty much like a 45-degree, kind of wiggle it in and then just turn it to make sure it actually locks into place. There we go. Plug her up. And I did bench test this too to make sure that, you know, this was the cause. The old one did not activate, aka click, whenever you add power. This one obviously does, it's new. So put all that back on and we are good to go, you guys. So that's pretty much it, how to replace the vent valve on the 2008 Nissan Maxima. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos will come.